Just a quick explainer video for you today on time signatures. Let's just jump right in. So a time signature is this symbol right at the very beginning of a piece of music, and it tells you two things. Firstly, with the top number, it tells you the number of beats in a bar, and with the bottom number, it tells you the value of a whole note. So if we kind of look up here, this is our whole note. If this is equal to 4 beats, then the half note, the minim, will be equivalent to 2 beats, and the quarter note, the crotchet, will be equivalent to 1 beat. So I'm expecting to see a bar that consists of 3 crotchets, 3 quarter notes. So that's broadly speaking it. That's how a time signature works. The top number tells you the number of beats in a bar. The bottom number tells you the value of a whole note in beats, and using that you can work out the note value that is equivalent to 1 beat. Let's have a look at another common example. Here's 4/4. This is very, very common as a time signature. So again, looking at this, I can tell by looking at the top number that there are 4 beats in a bar. By looking at the bottom number, I can tell that the whole note, the semibreve, equals 4 beats. If the semibreve equals 4 beats, then again the half note, the minim, equals 2 beats, and the quarter note, the crotchet, equals 1 beat. So I'm expecting to see bars that have 4 crotchets in them, or something equivalent. So there's 4 crotchets. We might have 2 minims. We might have 1 semibreve. We might have 8 quavers. We might have 16 semiquavers, because all of those are equivalent to our 4 crotchet beats. And indeed, we might have any combination of those note values, provided that each bar adds up to those 4 crotchet beats. So let's have a look at a couple more examples just to get really kind of comfortable with the concept. Here's 7/8. This is a little bit less common, but does come up nevertheless. So looking at this, I can tell that there are going to be 7 beats in a bar. The bar is going to be organised around 7 beats, and that the whole note here equals 8. So if the whole note equals 8 beats, then the half note, the minim, is going to be 4 beats long. The quarter note, the crotchet, is going to be 2 beats. The eighth note, the quaver, is going to be 1 beat long. And then so on and so forth down to the half beat, the quarter beat, and the eighth beat. But the important thing is here is that the eighth note, the quaver, is equivalent to 1 beat. So I'm expecting to see a bar that consists of 7 quavers, 7 eighth notes. So that's what we have here. Super. And let's just look at one more example just to really cement this in. Here's 4/2. So looking at the top note, I can tell that there are 4 beats in the bar. And then looking at the bottom note, I can tell that the whole note, the semibreve, is equivalent to 2 beats. If the whole note is equivalent to 2 beats, then the half note, the minim, is equivalent to 1 beat. And so I'm expecting to see a bar that consists of 4 minims, which we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, or again, anything that's equivalent to 4 minims. So we might have, I don't know, 2 minims and 4 crotchets, for instance. Or indeed, we might have a whole note, a semibreve, and 2 minims. Just anything that is equivalent to 4 minims in each bar. Right, that's it. That's all there is with time signatures. I hope that's helpful. Thank you very much.